So welcome to another video, and in this we're going to take a quick look at how you can remove a background from an image on Mac. So this is usually something people use Photoshop for, or a few other paid bits of software. We're going to use software built straight into your Mac so that anybody who has it can go ahead and remove the backgrounds from their images. So let's get started. So the first thing is finding an image that you want to remove the background of. This mainly works with images that have backgrounds of a solid color. So the example I have here on the screen is I've searched for dog's white background. So it's given me all these options of pictures of dogs, all with a solid white background. So those I can easily remove using this method. So a background of any solid color will work with this. So once you have selected your image and you've saved it to your Mac, go ahead and double click to open it up. So on Mac, when you open up an image, it should default to open with a piece of software called Preview. So you'll see up in the top left if that's what it's open with, and your screen should look like the one here. So this is the software that we want to use to remove our background. So with a couple of clicks, we're going to be able to start taking away this solid white background that we have. So the first thing we're going to click on is the markup tool here. And then once we've clicked on that, we're going to go ahead over here and click on this magic wand looking tool. So with this magic wand tool selected, what we have to do is just click on the white and drag. So you can see here, because it's a solid color, it's pretty much selected all of that white next to it. So what it will do is when you click on the background, it knows that that's white, and when you start dragging it, it will select all the adjacent white pixels next to it, which in this case is the entire background. So if I let go, you can see I now have dotted lines all around. That's essentially, this is the area that's going to get deleted. So I'm going to hit delete, and what it's going to ask you to do, because this image is a JPEG, it's going to say, do you want to convert it to a PNG? So it doesn't really make a difference to you. It's just different types of images, but a PNG is the only file type that will allow you to have a transparent background. So go ahead and click convert, and you can see that our background has now disappeared. And then you can even use this method just to get the last few little bits. So we can see that there's a little bit of white by his ear here. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on my dog. So I'm going to use the tools up here, and you can see I've still got a white background in here, which shouldn't be a white background. So I still have my one selected. I'm going to click, and you can see I'm still highlighting the section in there. Hit delete, and I'm going to do the same on this little section down here as well. And then when I zoom out, you can see I now have my picture of the dog with the background removed. So from here you can save it and you can add it to any document that you like. So I hope that that has been useful. Sometimes when you want to add pictures to your presentation or your document, it's much nicer to get rid of a big solid background, and gives you a little bit more creativity into where you can put those pictures. So again, I hope this has helped, and I'll see you in the next video.